Hello everyone, welcome to Magic Automotive. This video will cover the tools and process to replace the passenger side engine mount on a first generation Acura MDX. Always refer to your vehicle's service manual for repairs. The mount for the Honda Pilot is very similar to the MDX, but will not allow the weight to be mounted, and the holes are slightly different. So while this mount won't work for the MDX, the steps in this video will help you install your mount on the Pilot. Begin with a 10mm socket to remove 4 bolts on the engine cover. Remove the cover for the PCM, exposing 4 fasteners to remove. Use a 10mm socket to remove these fasteners. Remove the PCM wiring harness by unlocking the cam lock. Remove the connector, and now set the PCM to the side. Lift the power steering reservoir off the bracket and set it aside. Use a jack and a block of wood to support the engine. Using a 14mm socket and extensions, remove 2 engine mount brackets to engine bolts. Use a 17mm socket to remove the bracket through bolt and, for the MDX, the counterweight. Remove the bracket and inspect. This bracket is stripped from all the engine movement allowed by this bad mount. So I sourced another one in usable condition from the junkyard. If you replace the mount bracket, there is a wiring bracket attachment to move over. Use an 8mm socket to remove it and install it on your new bracket. Use a 14mm and extensions to remove 2 mount to chassis bolts. Now use an 8mm socket to remove a hidden bracket to weight bolt for the MDX. Next, remove the weight to access the final 14mm chassis bolt. Use a 14mm wrench to remove the weight bolt. Now you can remove the weight and use a swivel adapter with your 14mm socket to remove the final chassis bolt. Remove the mount and clean the area if needed. Now place your new mount into position. Place the mount bracket into position. Loosely install the 3 mount to chassis bolts and the 2 bracket to engine bolts. Install the through bolt and counterweight into the mount, ensuring that the counterweight is toward the engine. Refer to the service manual for torque specifications. Torque the 17mm through bolt and counterweight. Torque the 14mm chassis bolts. And then torque the bracket to engine bolts. Reinstall the top weight. Reinstall the bracket on the weight with the 8mm. Reinstall the PCM connector. Reinstall the cover. Return the power steering reservoir to the bracket. Don't forget to put the wiring back onto the bracket and reinstall the engine cover. Next up in the series will be starter removal for replacement or for front mount replacement. As always, if you liked the video, give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more, hit subscribe.